So what is reachability in iPhone? This is a feature of iPhone where you can access the whole screen of your iPhone with one hand. By default it is enabled and some devices it is really irritating. For example, I'm going to settings, then end settings, I'm going to accessibility. Then in here click on touch, and here you can see when you enable it, for example, your hand is not reaching to the top, just swipe down on the bottom and the screen will be come down, and this is called reachability. But sometimes feeling irritating, and when it's disable it, so that feature was not working. If you want to enable it, just enable it, and you want the top content at the bottom, swipe down at the bottom side and it will be come down. So this is reachability.